In a world where I'm the main character, I can do whatever I want.
It'll all be over in the blink of an eye.
Those who stray from the path of righteousness shall be punished.
Please help!
I will punish you with the strength of darkness.
Glory be with us. I wish for a miracle. Come on, let's go!
I gave you a chance. It's too late to say sorry now.
Take this!
If you wish to fight me, determination to reveal my strength. See the power of the Archdemon!
Fortune is on our side.
I'll leave this to you.
Sounds good.
This world's existence no longer has any value.
I'm not afraid.
Don't ever ignore the power of someone who has something to protect.
Should I show you my secret weapon? It's not my fault if you get hurt.
If you wish to fight me, determination will be required.
Here I
May the light guide us. I, Ruel, hereby swear to lead everyone to victory. In a flash!
Let's go cream!
Will you help?
This will cost you extra! Take this!
I will punish you with the strength of darkness. Archdemons! Descent!
Step back if you value your life. Don't say I didn't warn you.
This world's existence no longer has any value.
The weight of the oath I've taken will be brought down upon you.
If you wish to fight, will give determination will be required, and save you from this world. I will punish you with the strength of darkness.
I gave you a chance. It's too late to say sorry now.
This world's existence no longer has any value.
Those who stray from the path of righteousness shall be punished.
If you wish to fight me, determination will be required. I will punish you with the strength of darkness. This world's existence no longer has my strength. See the power of the Archdemon!
Are you ready to order?
Struggling?
I won't stand down.
I'll show you the real deal.
What is it you desire? I won't waste my breath on those unwilling to listen.
May blessings be with you.
Life or death? Pick your poison. A patient in need of treatment?
This is just the beginning. Generous Rekos, please protect us.
There's no way I can lose.
Well, I'm left with no choice. Closed. At least to you it will.
Do you smell that? That's the smell of death.
Must I keep fighting? I need backup.
Easy does it.
Careful, please move aside. We must be brave. Well, I'm left
On
with
behalf
no
of the
choice.
Creator, I will deliver judgment.
Oh, you'll make an excellent specimen. The dark shroud of death is coming over you. I hope you find it comfortable. Worry not. The doctor is in.
This is an emergency.
Rest in your own will.
We cannot afford to waste time.
I won't stand down.
Are you done struggling? It's almost horrific how naive you are.
Do you smell that? Everything is going to be small
I
right.
won't run anymore. Please.
Oh my.
Careful, please move aside.
What is it you desire? Everything in Felicia is under my control.
Brace yourself.
Well, I'm left with no choice. I will deliver unto you.
Your salvation.
Step back. I won't stand down.
What is the best course of action?
Help me. Here's my chance.
What is it you desire?
I won't run anymore. May the holy light save us all. Careful, please move aside. The door will remain closed.
At least to you it will.
Oh, you'll make an excellent specimen when this all runs its course. What will the damage be like? Life or death? Pick your
Trust me,
poison. I'm a doctor.
Must I keep fighting?